friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking Chinese eggplant in the air fryer. For this easy recipe, we need Chinese eggplant. I already washed it before making the video. And for my seasonings, I'm going to use salt, garlic powder, and red pepper, and olive oil. So red pepper makes it spicy, and if you like it not spicy, you can use black pepper instead of red. Also very good, just depends on what you like. Now this eggplant, Chinese eggplant, is just a different eggplant variety from regular eggplant. As you can see, it's like really tall and skinny. We don't need to peel it. This skin is totally edible, so all I do is remove the stems. And I'm just going to cut it into chunks. So I slice it in half and cut it in pieces. So now I've sliced the eggplant and let me put it in a bowl. Just makes it easier to toss it with oil and seasonings in a bowl. And now season it to taste, so I will sprinkle it with salt, garlic powder, you can use minced fresh garlic instead of garlic powder, totally up to you. And I will sprinkle it with red pepper because I like this Chinese eggplant spicy. And if you don't want it to be spicy, use black pepper. And I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil, so it's just for flavor. You can use, if you'd like to measure, just use 1 tablespoon, or if you'd like more oil, you can use 2 tablespoons. So just drizzle it with a little oil, and let's toss it. So it's coated with oil and seasonings. And now, once you've seasoned the eggplant, let's put it in the air fryer. And now I'll put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and let's shake the basket to distribute the eggplant evenly so it cooks more evenly. And let's put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the Chinese eggplants. Look at that, they're perfectly done, so nicely brown. They look amazing. And see how crispy they are. Looks so good. So I'm going to take it out of the air fryer. Perfect, crispy Chinese eggplants. So easy to make in the air fryer, so healthy. Looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Let's try it. They're so tender and crispy at the same time, and so spicy and full of flavor. You will love making those Chinese eggplants in the air fryer. This is a perfect healthy side dish. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!